ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतो मुखम्
सारवत्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
स्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
ऐवन्
ऐवन्
ऋलुक्
ऋलुक्
एओङ्
एओङ्
ऐ औज्
ऐऔच्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लण्
लण्
ञमाङणम्
ञमाङणम्
जभै
जभै
घढदश्
घढदश्
जबगडदश्
जबगडदश्
खफ चठथ चटतौ
कपचटौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
अकुग विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुह विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
हेलो हेलो किम् अभवत्? ऋतुरशानां ऊर्ध्वा
ऋतुरशानां ऊर्ध्वा
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः उपध्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपध्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
ज्ञामाणानां नासिका च एजैतोगो कण्ठतालु
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौ तोगो कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
धातोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठं
वकारस्य दन्तोष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यं
जिह्वामूल्यस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे
राम
राम राम
You can type your name in the chat box. And please keep your mic in mute if it does ask to unmute. Please type your name in the chat box again. The names, whatever you type, it has gone. The fact when there was disruption. Okay. This will continue. Halfway we left it. This. Umaji, you please do it.
Yes, Guruji. Sa tava patni.
No, not
That
that one. Up to that we have done. It is your sister. Sa tava bhagini. This exercise, in this exercise, we are saying the usage of Shashti Vibhakti. Shashti Vibhakti gives you the Samanda.
Okay.
That's we are saying this. Then up to it is your sister we have done. After that we have to do. He's not my teacher. Starting from that.
Okay. Okay. He is not my teacher. Saha mama na sikshaha.
Na shikshaha, na guruhu, na acharyaha, sikshakaha.
Sikshakaha, sorry. Acharya, na acharyaha.
Saha mama na acharyaha. Kriya padam is asti.
Okay.
Saha mama acharyaha na asti nasti.
Okay.
Next one.
He is my student. Saha mama sishyaha.
Saha mama shishyaha, mama chatraha shishyaha iti. Okay. Next one.
India is my country. Mama Bharata.
Not Mama Bharata. India is my country.
Bharata Deshaha.
Mama Deshaha Bharatam, not Bharata Deshaha.
Okay. Mama Deshaha Bharatam.
Bharataha, Mama Deshaha. Next person, Subbalakshmi ji. Subbalakshmi ji can.
Yes.
Yes.
This book is yours. Eshaka tava pustakam. Pustakam asti.
Yes.
Is this a pencil? Kaha ka ankani?
No, not ka ankani. Is this for that we saw what should come at the beginning? How do you ask this? Is this a pencil? Anybody?
Kim.
Yes, Kim. What is the word for pencil? Ankani. Kim.
Uncle.
Yeshaha Ankani. Kim has to come at the beginning. We saw in this exercise before. Kim. Yesha, sorry, not Yesha. Yesha Ankani. Yesha Ankani va, otherwise. That is also. Can
Okay.
ask.
My wife is Kanchana. Mama Patini Kanchana.
Yes.
My guru is.
That's okay. So that Anupamaji.
My guru is Dayananda. Mama guruhu Dayanandaha asti.
Yes.
She is my God. Mama Devi. Sa Mama Devi
Sa Mama
asti.
Devi. Yes.
My God is Krishna. Mama Devaha Krishnaha asti.
Yes. Next person. I've given answers are there anyway. Shefali, you can just read. If you can read, let us see how you read.
They are your money. Tani tava vittani.
Or dhanani, both means money. Vitta or dhana.
Okay.
Akarantaha napumsakalingaha vitta shabdaha or dhana. Both mean money. So vittam vitte vittani, like palam pale palani.
Right.
Declined vittam vitte vittani, vittam vitte vittani. Vittena vittabhyam vittaihi. Dhanam also like that only. Dhanam dhane dhanani, dhanam dhane dhanani. Dhanena dhanabhyam dhanaihi, dhanaya dhanabhyam dhanebhyaha. Vittam tena vinodaya chittam. Shankaracharya says in Bhajagovindam. Vittani. Vittani santi. Kani. Kasya vittani. Tava vittani. Your. What is the vibhakti of tava?
Sir, I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know, sir.
Very good. No problem. Others. What is the vibhakti of tava?
Prathama vibhakti.
Tava is Prathama vibhakti.
Shashti.
Shashti vibhakti. Tani is?
Tani, tava, tani.
What is the vibhakti of Tani? Anybody?
Santi. It has to be Prathama. No?
It is Prathama vibhakti. What vachanam?
Bahuvachanam.
Plural. Sir, plural.
Bahuvachanam. You have to see Santi, the Kriya Padam,
Yes.
for which the subject is Tani. Tani Santi. Tani Vittani Santi. They are money. They are whose money? Tava money. Your money. Tani Vittani Santi. They are money. That is Dhanani also. Vittani Dhanani also. Prathama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Tani also Prathama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. This is subjective complement. When a word is in opposition with the subject of the sentence, then it is called subjective complement. That is, you say, he is a hero. He is a hero. How do you say? Already we have done. It is not something new. Even the here you see, Mama Guruhu Dayanandaha. Guruhu Dayanandaha asti. Guru is Dayananda. Subjective complement. Okay. He is my friend. Or my friend is Krishna. Suppose if you say, Mama Mitram Krishnaha. Krishnaha Mama Mitram. Krishnaha Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Mitram also Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
Sir, I had a question.
Let me complete this. Then this is called Mitraha. Sorry, Mitra, not Mitraha. Krishnaha Mitram. Krishnaha Mama Mitram Asti. So Asti. Mitram Asti. And Mitra is Krishna. So Krishnaha Mitram Asti. Krishnaha Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Mitram also Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Here it is not the Visheshana, not the qualifier, not adjective. If it is adjective, it has to be of same gender, same vibhakti, same vachanam. Here same vibhakti, same vachanam, but not same gender. So therefore it is not adjective. Understand? Follow me, all of you.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes.
Therefore here it is subjective complement. Similarly here also, Tani vittani santi, kasya tava, your. They are your money, right? Yes, what's the question now?
Sir, earlier we did Mamaha, Deshaha, Bharatam, and the same sentence we had Bharataha, Mama, Deshaha. So
Hmm.
I'm not clear why the Bharatam and why the Bharataha.
It is
When do I use that?
both are okay. Bharata Deshaha or Bharatam.
Yeah, so when do I use Bharatam and when do I use Bharataha?
Bharatam is correct. Amadeshaha Bharatam. Not Bharataha, Bharatam. This we can use, if the word is there, you can use, but here it is that I think it's a typo. It should be Bharatam.
Oh, okay. Okay.
We continue. You can read.
Okay, yeah. These are my servants. Ete ime mama sevakaha.
You need to follow the previous classes. Your reading is good, but what does it mean? The words and all those things you are too good.
Yeah, I still have to
Listen to the
memorize it.
following previous recordings. You have to listen and follow that, whatever I sent you already. Okay, then you will be able to understand what is that. Explain this. Okay.
Yeah.
Ete mama sevakaha. You can guess what is the Kriya Padam here. It is Kriya Padam is
Santi.
Ete.
Ete is not Santi. You have to supply. Kriya Padam is
Santi,
verb.
yeah.
Ete is not a Kriya Padam. It's not a verb. Ete means these. How can be a verb? Ete sevakaha santi. These are servants. Whose servant? Whose servants are they? Mama. Mama is
Mine.
Shashti
Mine.
Vibhakti. Mine. Okay, next one.
Naidu is my president.
Hmm.
Naidu mama adhyakshaha.
Adhyakshaha. Adhyakshaha meaning president. Is my next person. Parulji.
Yes, sir. This is your flight. Etat tava vimanam
Hmm.
asti.
Good. Yes. You understand the
Ravana.
sentence, right?
Yes, sir.
Very
This
good.
is your flight. Ravana is my enemy. Ravanaha mama ripuhu asti.
Hmm.
Krishna is my friend.
Yes.
Krishna mama mitram asti.
Yes. Read the
My-
second one. Yeah.
My laptop is this. Etat mama sanganakam
Sanganakam.
sanganakam
Hmm.
asti. This book is Ramayana. Etat pustakam Ramayanam asti.
Hmm.
My strength is knowledge. Mama balaha vidya asti.
Okay. Next person.
Well,
Maji.
Yes, Guruji. Wealth is not my strength. Dhanam na mama balaha asti.
Hmm.
I am a scientist. Aham vainyanikaha asmi. You are an idiot. Tvam murgaha asi.
Murkhaha.
Murkhaha asi.
Hmm.
Are you idiot? Kim tvam murgaha asi.
See, here Kim has to come in the beginning. Here you are an idiot is a statement.
Okay.
Here Kim tvam murkhaha asi. It becomes a question. Are you an idiot? Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Continue.
I am your father. Aham pita asmi. It is my marriage. Saha mama parinayaha asti.
Asti. Parinaya means vivaha. Vivagaha or parinayaha. Saha mama parinayaha iti. Next person. Subbalakshmi ji.
I am not a sannyasi. Aham na sannyasi yati asmi.
Not
Yatihi
sannyasi or yatihi. Anyone can
yatihi
use.
asmi. I am a householder.
Sannyasi is what shabda? What is the pratipadikam? Anybody?
Sannyasin.
Very good.
Sannyas.
Sannyasin nakaranta shabda. Nakarantaha. I think I said this no before.
No, Guruji.
Not this one. Maybe some similar terms you mentioned.
Yes, similar. Not this word. Yes. Nakaranta shabda. Not it is not Srilinga.
Oh,
Don't think it is Nadi shabda, sannyasi, ikarantaha, Srilinga. No, it is not that. Sannyasin nakaranta shabda, that we will see. Later we will see. So nakarantaha pullingaha. So sannyasi is pratama vibhakti ekavacham. Sannyasi, sannyasinau, sannyasinaha. Okay, anyway, if that word is not known to you, you can use the word yati. Yati is ikaranta, like Hari Shabda, you can decline. Yatihi, yati, yatayaha, or muni. Muni means sage. Sannyasi is that, therefore yatihi you can use. That is why I used the word yatihi. Sannyasi or yatihi can use. If you don't know sannyasi, you can use yatihi. Aham yatihi na asmi. Okay, continue.
I am a householder. Aham grahastaha asmi. My wife is my strength. Mama patni, mama balaga asti. My husband is clever. Mama bharta chaturaga asti.
Not bhakta.
Bharta chaturaga asti.
Yes.
My son is a sannyasi. Mama putraga yatihi asti. My daughter is a lawyer. Mama putri adhivatri asti.
Adhivaktri.
Adhivaktri asti.
What is the pratipadikam? Adhivaktri. Adhivaktri is ikarantaha strilingaha adhivaktri shabdaha ikaranta. Nadi shabdavat nadi nadyau nadyaha adhivaktra adhivakta. Adhivakta is adhivaktri rikaranta shabda. We have seen this. This is not new. In long back when we saw the introduction to rikaranta shabda, that time we saw rikarantaha adhivaktri shabda, adhivakta, adhivaktaro, adhivaktaraha. Like kartra shabda, you have to decline. If it is strilinga, then it becomes adhivaktri ikaranta shabda. Now, this is, you can try this as we don't have to do it here. The simple, using the following words and the pronoun of your choice, you have to form sentences like this. Etat sanganakam is there. Etat sanganakam. Etat kim? Etat sanganakam. Etat sanganakam. Etat mama sanganakam. Kim? Etat mama sanganakam. Na. Etat mama sanganakam. Na. Etat tava sanganakam. Etat na mama sanganakam. Etat bhavataha sanganakam. Etat bhavatyaha sanganakam. Etat mama sanganakam va? It's a question. Is it my laptop? Etat bhavatyaha sanganakam. This is only for developing the language, spoken language. So the different words are given below. You can practice. Okay, maybe one you can do. Anupamaji, you can take any one of your choice and try like this. This is only for you to practice for just the Bhasha. For Bhasha Jnanam improvement, the spoken language. You have to do like this, then only language will come. Yeah.
Ankushaha.
Ankushaha.
Ankushaha. Eshaha ankushaha. Kim eshaha ankushaha? Am eshaha ankushaha. Pratima. Sa pratima. Kim sa pratima? आम सा प्रतिमा। क्षेत्रम् एतत् क्षेत्रं। किम् एतत् क्षेत्रम्? आम् एतत् क्षेत्रम्। अनुभवः सः अनुभवः। किं सः अनुभवः? आम् सः अनुभवः।
कस्य अनुभवः? मम
भवतः
अनु-
अनुभवः।
मम अनुभवः.
मम अनुभवः।
So like that you have to do this. Okay, this is simple. I've given many words here. You can just do this. This exercise is not that much but to be done in the class. You can do it on your own. Now, we have done a lot of practices up to now. Now, write about you in 5 simple Samskrita Vakyam. I have written here. Aham Sharanaha. Aham Adhyapakaha Asmi. Aham na Chatraha. Kintu Shikshakaha. Mama Nama Sharanaha. Aham Sharanaha, Mama Nama Sharanaha, both are same. Mama Pita Subramaniaha Asti. Mama Mata Mallika Asti. Mama Bhrata Nasti. Aham Bharata Deshavasi. Mama Matrabhasha Tamil. Aham Bharata Deshiyaha. Mama Rashtra Bhasha Hindi Asti. Mama Priya Bhasha Sanskritam. Anupama ji, you can tell about you like this, the same format.
ओके। अहम् अनुपमा अस्मि। अहं छात्रा
Yes.
अस्मि।
Mm.
अहं न अध्यापकः किन्तु छात्रा अस्मि।
Good. Pita.
अगेन मम पिता प्रदीपः अस्ति। मम माता बिन्दु अस्ति।
Gopi Bhrata Astiva. You have
आम्
brothers?
आम्।
Hmm.
मम
Kati Bhrataraha Santi?
एकं।
Mama Bhrata Asti.
मम भ्राता अस्ति।
Mama Bhrat. Okay, if you want to say Bhratuhu, you have to say Mama Bhratuhu Nama. Will come later. What is it?
मम भ्रातुः नाम आदर्शः अस्ति। अहं
Bhagini
भारत
Astiva.
भगिनी नास्ति।
You can say Mama Bhagini Nasti. Okay.
मम भगिनी नास्ति। अहं भारतदेशवासी। मम मातृभाषा मलयाळम्। अहं भारतदेशीयः। मम राष्ट्रभाषा हिंदी अस्ति। मम प्रियभाषा संस्कृतम् अस्ति।
Good.
धन्यवादः।
धन्यवादः. Parulji, you can do like this. Try.
Yes.
At least say 4 or 5 sentences.
हाँ. मम नाम पारुल. मम पिता नलिनकांत. मम नलिनकांतः. मम छात्रः अस्ति.
Mama Chatra Asti. You are a student.
अस्मि. I am a
Aham Chatra Asmi. Not Mama. I am a student.
हाँ. So मम अहम मम छात्रः.
Not Mama Chatraha. Aham, just now I said Aham Chatra Asmi.
अहम छात्र अस्मि. मम भ्रातृ यतिन.
Mama Bhrata name.
मम भ्राता यतिन.
Okay.
अहम भारतदेशवासी.
Bharatadeshavasi.
मम माता चंद्रकांता. मम पिता नलिनकांत.
You told already. Okay.
Okay. अहम भारतदेशीयः.
That you have told already.
Okay. मम राष्ट्रभाषा हिंदी. मम मातृभाषा गुजराती.
Okay. Next person. Deepika ji.
No.
Yes, Guruji. Aham Deepika. Aham Chhatra Asti. न अध्यापिका अस्ति. मम, I mean,
Aham
मम
chhatra
नाम,
asmi. I don't know what you said. I didn't hear properly. Chhatra asmi. Okay.
हाँ,
Okay. Continue.
मम पिता भोगीलाल,
Hmm.
मम माता मणि, मम true, if it is, I have to say,
True, not
True,
okay. Mama, Brata
Mama.
asti is just say now because we have to. Okay, you know, yeah, Brata Shabda, you know, you can say Brata, Bratarav, you know,
हाँ, okay, मम भ्रातरौ अस्ति.
not asti. Two brothers are there.
Two brother, yeah. So,
Staha.
स्तः, हाँ, स्तः.
Hmm.
मम भ्रातरौ स्तः. अहं भारतदेशवासी अस्ति. मम मातृभाषा गुजराती अस्ति. अहं भारतदेशीयः. मम राष्ट्रभाषा हिंदी अस्ति. मम प्रियभाषा संस्कृतम् अस्ति.
Yes, Umaji.
Yes, Guruji. Aham Uma Asti.
Asmi,
Aham.
not asti. You're talking
Asmi.
about you.
Sorry. Aham Uma Asmi. Aham Chhatra Asmi. Aham Mama Nama Uma. Mama Pita Venkatramaha. Mama Mata Bhavani. Mama Bhratraha. I have 3 brothers. So my
Brata, Brataro, Brataraha.
Bhratraha. My Bhratraha Santi.
Mama Brataraha Santi.
Mama Bhratraha Santi. Aham Bharata Deshavasi. Mama Matrubhasha Tamil. Aham Bharata Deshiyaha. Mama Rashtrabhasha Hindi. Mama Priyabhasha Sanskritam.
Expression, Subbalakshmi ji.
अहं सुब्बलक्ष्मी अस्मि. अहं छात्राः अस्मि.
Chhatra.
छात्रा अस्मि. अहं अध्यापिकाः न.
Adhyapika. Why Bhagavachanam? Aham na
Adhyapikah.
Adhyapika.
अहं अध्यापिकः न.
Not Adhyapika. Female. It is therefore Adhyapika. Aham na Adhyapika asmi.
अहं
Not
न
Adhyapaka. Adhyapika. There is no word Adhyapika. Either it has to be Adhyapaka or it has to be Adhyapika. There is no Adhyapika. Adhyapika or Adhyapaka.
अहं न अध्यापिका. अहं छात्रा अस्मि. मम पिता राजगोपालन्. मम माता
Rajagopalaha, you have to say. Okay.
राजगोपालः. मम माता आनन्दवल्ली. मम भ्राता अस्ति. अहं भारतवासी. मम भारतदेशवासी. मम मातृभाषा तेलुगु. अहं भारतदेशीयः. मम राष्ट्रभाषा हिंदी. मम प्रियभाषा संस्कृतम्.
Yes. Just explaining what we have seen so far. Asti, Staha, Santi, already we are familiar. Asti is third person singular. Prathama Purusha, Ekavachanam. If the Kriya Padam is not there, in keeping with the subject of the sentence, we have to supply. That is why in the sentence first, you have to see whether there is any Kriya Padam. If it is not there, be ready to supply. How? Based on the subject of the sentence. So you have to identify the subject if Kriya Padam is not there. If Kriya Padam is there, then identify the subject. Understand? Kriya Padam not there, you have to supply based on the subject. If Kriya Padam is there, find out the subject. This is the first thing you have to do when you approach a sentence. Even when you think also, before you begin to speak, first you have to think of the Kriya Padam and then speak. Asti, kaha asti, saha asti. Then Eshaha Ramaha Adhyapakaha asti. All are Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Eshaha Ramaha Adhyapakaha. Without asti also, this means the sentence is a valid sentence. Mama pita Ramaha asti. That mama is it's a Shashti Vibhakti Rupam of Asmat Shabda. It is connected to Pita. Mama Pita, the word Pita. Not Mama Ramaha. Mama Pita Ramaha Asti. So Pita Ramaha both are in same Vibhakti. They are subjective complement. Ramaha is, you don't have to take it as a Visheshana. You can take, even if you take it, it's not wrong, but here it is subjective complement. My father is Rama. Like in English, we say, this, my father is Rama, fine. Then, suppose if the father is qualified by some other word, or another example I tell you, this boy is intelligent. Boy and intelligent. That is subjective complement. This intelligent boy came to my house. That intelligent boy, that intelligent is Visheshana, adjective. Understand? This is in English. The same thing in Sanskritam also. So difference between subjective complement. Subjective complement is English grammar. Subjective complement, objective complement. Okay. So here, Pita Ramaha. Pita and Ramaha both are in same vibhakti, same gender, same vachanam. Here it can take it as subjective complement, and the mama is connected to the word Pita. Mama Pita. Mama Pita Ramaha iti. Then staha. Staha is Pratama Purusha Dvivachanam. They two are Taustaha. Eto Ramo Staha. Mama Pitarau Staha. What is the meaning of the word Pitarau? We saw in the last class. Jagataf Pitarau Vande. Parvati Parameshwarau. What is the meaning of the word Pitarau?
Parents.
Parents. It means Mata cha Pita cha Pitarau. Pita, Pitru Shabda. Pita, Pitarau, Pitaraha, right? Doesn't mean two fathers. Pitarau means it includes Mata also. It's called Ekashesha Vritti. That is, later we will see, it's long way to go, that one. Mata cha Pita cha. Together, it is Dvivachanam. Because two people are there. So Pitarau. The word Pitarau means parents. That is why we chant in the shloka, Jagataf Pitaro Vande, right? So Mama Pitaro Staha, Ime Rame Staha, Mama Brataro Staha, Ime Pale Staha. All these are usages. Then Santi. Santi is Bhagavachanam. So Asti Staha Santi, Te Santi, Te Balakaha Santi, Mama Mitrani Santi, Mama Chatraha Santi, Bhavataha Putraha Santi, Bhavatyaha Abharanani Santi. Then in this next one is a simple one that also you can do on your own. You are already familiar with the usage of the Kriya Padam, Asti Santi, therefore we need not do it in the class here. Kshetram Asti, Kshetre Staha, Kshetrani Santi. This is for practicing your Shabda. You have to see the Shabda, what Linga is, accordingly. Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam. For that, use the Kriya Padam, Asti Staha Santi. You practice. You can take this as homework, at least write 10. Take 10 words, write this sentence using all the Kriya Padam, Asti Staha Santi. We'll move on. Then these are simple words with the meaning of which you know. Aham, Tvam, Bhavan, Bhavati. Aham is I, Tvam is you, Bhavan is you, referring to the it's also Madhyama Purusha, second person only, masculine gender, Bhavan, addressing to the person who is respectable is our senior person, Bhavan, Pullinga word. Bhavati, Strilinga. Now the Shashti Vibhakti of these forms are given here. Aham, they will become Mama. Tvam will become Tava. Bhavan will become Bhavataha. Bhavati is Bhavatyaha, we know, right? Bhavan is you. Bhavataha is your. Bhavati is Strilinga, you. Bhavatyaha is your. Ahamasmi. Ahamasmi, then Mama Asti. See the difference between these two. Aham Sharanaha Asmi. I am Sharana. Mama Asti, you have to say. Then what will be the word here? The meaning should be same as Aham Sharanaha Asmi. Then what should be there?
Namam.
Nama.
Nama.
Mama Nama Sharanaha Asti. You understand the difference between the two now? Aham Asmi. Aham Sharanaha Asmi. Mama Nama Sharanaha Asti. The Sharana, the name is, it is third person. Aham when you say Asmi. Mama when you say, that refers to refers to something which belongs to you, which is your possession, not you. Therefore, Asti. Nama is also a possession. Therefore, Asti. Mama Nama Sharanaha Asti. Understand? Similarly, other vacuum also. Agam Sharanaha Asmi. Mama, when you say Mama, Pita. Pita is a subject, which is third person. Therefore, the Kriya Padam is Asti. Don't say Asmi. You are not Pita. Mama Pita Asti. Agam Shikshakaha Asmi. You can see the usage of the sentence on the right, on the left hand side and on the right hand side. Agam Sharanaha Asmi. Agam Shikshakaha Asmi. Agam Brahmachari Asmi. Agam Bharatadeshiyaha Asmi. Mama Pita Asti, Mama Mata Asti, Mama Bhavanam Asti, Mama Patram Asti. All these are the possessions. All these are what you own, right? Not you. Therefore, there are Asti. What you are is Asmi. What you own is third person. It is Asti. This can be extended to the Tvam also. This can be extended to Bhivachanam, Bhagavachanam also. Tvam Asi, you are. Tvam Sharanaha Asi, you are Sharan. Tvam Chatra Asi, you are a student. Tvam Antevasi. Antevasi also means student only. Ante is Samipe, the one who lives closer to whom? To the teacher. Antevasin Nakaranta Shabda. Like Sanyasin, we saw Antevasi, Antevasino, Ante Vasinaha. Another word for Shishya, Antevasi. It's a beautiful word. It comes in Dakshinamurti Stotram. Tvam Pita Asi, you are a father. Then on this side, right hand side, Tava Pustakam Asti. This is your book. So what is the subject there? Subject here is Pustakam. Therefore, Asti. Pustakam is third person. Tvam is second person. Therefore, Kriya Padam is Asi. The difference is shown. Vahanam. Tava Vahanam Asti. Tava Vachanam Asti. Tava Duravani Asti. Similarly, the other one, okay. In all these sentences, the Kriya Padam is in keeping with the subject of this sentence that you have to see. If the subject is Aham, then the Kriya Padam is Asmi. If the subject is Tvam, then the Kriya Padam is Asi. If third person is a subject, what is third person? If it is neither you nor Tvam, but something else, not you, not me, something else, then the Kriya Padam is Asti. For that, there is an exception here. Bhavan is Bhavan Asti, we have to say. Bhavan is a word which is used with the respect, referring to the person who is right in front of you. This Madhyama Purusha, second person. The second person is that we said Asi should be used, Asi Staha, Sta, depending on the Vachanam. But here you have to use Asti. This is the rule. Bhavan Asti only. So it is, even though it is like Bhavan is second person, but you have to use third person Kriya Padam only. Bhavan is Ekavachanam. Bhavan asti. Bhavantau staha. Bhavantaha santi. So you have to use Prathama Purusha Kriya Padam only. Asti staha santi. And the Shashti Vibhakti of Bhavan is Bhavataha. Here. Now you can see the example. Bhavan Sharanaha asti with respect. Bhavan Shikshakaha asti. Bhavan Brahmachari asti. The same words Aham was there before. Atvam converting to Bhavan. Bhavan Gurukulavasi asti. So Bhavan is Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam, but the Kriya Padam is, even though it's Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam, Madhyama Purusha it is, Kriya Padam is asti only. You have to note this. If it is Tvam, then it will become Asi. Understand the difference? This is Pullinga Bhavan. Strilinga it will be Bhavati. That is also asti only, Bhavati. So here we have Madhyama Purusha, but Tvam, Madhyama Purusha, Tvam, the word we know, Tvam, Ivam, Yuyam. That Madhyama Purusha only one Shabda, Tvam, whether it is Strilinga or Pullinga or Napumsakalinga, Tvam is Tvam only. In all the Linga, the form of the Shabda is same. Whereas if you use Bhavan, Bhavati, it is different. Bhavan is Pullinga, Bhavati is Strilinga. That you have to note. Then Shashti Vibhakti of Bhavan is Bhavataha, which already we saw. Bhavataha Kavyam asti. Bhavataha Ashirvadaha, blessings. Blessing asti. Bhavataha Upadeshaha asti. Bhavataha Vijayaha asti. This is not something new, already we know. Do you all follow what I'm saying up to here?
Yes, Guruji.
Others? Yes.
Yes, Guruji. Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Similarly, Bhavati, Strilinga. Madhyama, what Vachanam it is? Oh, sorry, what Purusha is? What Purusha, what Vachanam? Yeah.
Ekvachana.
Ekavachanam, okay. What Purusha?
Strilinga.
Madhyama Purusha. I'm asking Purusha, not Strilinga. Purusha doesn't mean the Linga. Purusha is person. Linga is Linga, I will ask specifically. It is Strilinga here. Okay. Bhavati asti. Bhavati Chatra asti. Bhavati China Deshiya asti. Bhavati Samskrita Priya asti. Samskrita Priya is the lover of Samskritam. Shashti Vibhakti of that is Bhavatyaha. Bhavatyaha Pravachanam asti. Your speech is there. Bhavatyaha Icha asti. Your desire. Bhavatyaha Siddhantaha asti. In all the above sentences, the Kriya Padam asti is used even though the subject is second person. Bhavan is Pullinga, Bhavati is Strilinga. Why? Because Bhavan and Bhavati implies respect. Therefore, asti must be used. Here it is Ekavachanam, therefore asti. If it is Dvivachanam, staha. Bhagavachanam, santi. So now the Shashti Vibhakti Rupam, since we talked about the self-introduction, etc. Therefore, the words which you may need. This is your homework. You please take this as a homework. You write about, give a description about yourself. What you did, can do it further elaborately. More than 5 sentences. You can do it in 10 or 15 sentences. This will be useful. The usage of Shashti Vibhakti. The Shashti Vibhakti is used in the sense of related to or of the. That's something which you own or possess, or something which you are related to, connected to. If you take, for example, Pita. Pita is and Shashti Vibhakti of Pita is Pituhu. Mama Pita, just follow what I'm saying. Mama Pita asti. Mama Pita Subramaniyaha. Mama Pita Subramaniyaha. Mama Pituhu Nama Subramaniyaha. You understand? Like I said, Aham Sharanaha Asmi. Mama Nama Sharanaha Asti. Similarly, Mama Pita Subramaniyaha. Mama Pituhu Nama Subramaniyaha. You can say. So, Pita is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Pituhu is
Shashti Vibhakti.
Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Similarly, Mata will become, in Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam, it will be Matuhu. Mama Mata Mallika. Mama matuhu nama Mallika. Similarly, brata, mama brata asti. I have a brother. If you want to tell the name, or even you can say mama brata so and so, you can say that is also possible. Mama bratuhu nama. The name of my brother is bratuhu. So pituhu, matuhu, bratuhu, they are all shashti vibhakti. Right? Mama bagini. Or mama bagini asti. Mama baginyaha nama. Baginyaha is shashti vibhakti of bagini. Shashti vibhakti. All these are ekavachanam. Pituhu, matuhu, bratuhu, baginyaha. Dvivachanam and Bhagavachanam also that we will see later. Similarly, putraha, putrasya, that we know. Rama, ramasya, Rama Shabda we know, right? Shashti Bhakti of Rama Shabda is
Ramasya.
Similarly, here. Dugita, what is Dugita? What's the meaning of Dugita? Daughter.
Granddaughter?
No,
Daughter.
daughter. Yeah, daughter.
Daughter.
Dugitru is a Pratipadikam. Dugita, it is written like Matra Shabda. Dugita, Dugitaro, Dugitaraha. Shashti Vibhakti is Dugituhu. Mama Dugituhu Nama. So you can see Pita, Mata, Brata, Bhagini, Putraha, Dugita. And the Shashti Vibhakti of that is Pituhu, Matuhu, Bratuhu, Bhaginyaha, Putrasya, Dugituhu iti. So this will be useful in introducing yourself. Okay. Here given example for each. Pita, Pituhu. Pituhu Upanetram. Yes.
Yeah, so Duhita will be like Akarant, like it will be
No.
splitting.
Rikaranta, Matra Shabda.
Acha, like Matra Shabda. Oh, Duhitru. Okay.
See, I just give a clue. See here.
Huh.
When you see the Shashti Vibhakti as Dugituhu or Pituhu
Yeah, that's why I was
or Matuhu, Bratuhu,
right.
then the Pratipadikam must be ending with R.
Okay.
Rikaranta must be the Pratipadikam.
Okay.
Whenever you see the word Dugituhu, Pituhu, the word in Shashti Vibhakti, you can easily, make the conclusion that the Pratipadikam must be Rikaranta Pratipadikam.
Right.
Putrasya is Akaranta because Rama, Ramasya, Putra, Putrasya.
Right.
And Bhaginyaha is
Bhagini, that is, yeah.
It's a dirgha, it's a typo here. I will correct it later. It is Bhagini. Sorry,
Right.
Bhagini, the Ikaranta Shabda. Okay. It's
Right.
not Rasva. It is dirgha.
Dirgha.
Right. I'll correct it later. Nadi Shabdavat. Nadi Shabda we have to learn. I'll teach you later. So, Pita, Pituhu. Pita is father. Of the father means belonging to the father, connected to the father. Fathers. Mama Pituhu, Nama, my father's name is. Now you can read the example. Pituhu Upanetram asti. Pituhu Dhanam asti. Mama Pituhu Nama Balasubramanya asti. So, Pituhu Upanetram asti. Upanetram means spectacle. Upanetram asti. Whose spectacle? How do you ask whose spectacle in Sanskrita? You know it.
Kasya.
Kasya.
Kasya Upanetram. Pituhu Upanetram. Mama Pituhu Upanetram. Similarly, Dhanam. Kasya Dhanam. That is the connection. You understand the Sambandha. That is what I said. Sambandha, connected to, related to. Upanetram is related to whom? That will be in Shashti Vibhakti. It is called Sambandha Shashti. Shashti Vibhakti. Please note, Shashti Vibhakti gives you, tells you the Sambandha, the relationship. So, Upanetram is connected to Pita. Therefore, Pitru will be in Shashti Vibhakti. Okay. Similarly, Mata is Matuhu. Matuhu Syutam. What is Syutam? Bag.
Bag.
Dhanasyutam, money purse. Matuhu Syutam is this Matuhu Syutam asti. The Syutam belongs to whom?
Matuhu.
Mata.
Mata.
So Syutam is the subject in the sentence. Therefore, asti you have to supply. Syutam asti. Kasya syutam. The syutam belongs to whom? Mata. That will go in Shashti Vibhakti. Matuhu syutam asti. Vastram asti. Kasyaha vastram. Matuhu vastram. Because Mata is Srilinga, therefore Kasyaha you have to ask. Whose? Kasyaha. Mama Matuhu nama Mallika. Similarly, Brata is Bratuhu. Bratuhu Dvichakrika. Bicycle. Dvichakrika asti. Dvichakrika, the bicycle belongs to whom? To the brother. Therefore, brother will, the bratra will be in Shashti Vibhakti. Bratuhu Dvichakrika. Bratuhu Vachanam. Mama Bratuhu Nasti. Please see this. Mama Bratuhu Nasti means, how do you translate this? Mama Bratuhu is my brother. My brother is not there means what? I have no brother. If you do the English translation, you have to do it properly. Mama Bratuhu Nasti means I have no brother. Mama Bratuhu is, the meaning is, Mama is have. Bratuhu is brother. So Bratu is also something what you have, what you possess. So Mama is have, I have, Bratu brother. So I have brother, no, I have no brother. Not my brother is not that. Understand? Can you follow what I'm saying? This,
Yes,
see,
yes.
when you do the English translation, it's important. Or in your understanding. See, I ask you, do you have a pencil? How do you say? Mama Ankani Nasti. I don't have a pencil. That is it. Mama Ankani Nasti. Mama Ankani is my pencil. My pencil is not there. No, that is not the, that is also possible. I won't say that is not possible. That is also, that translation also possible. That depends on the context. But I don't have a pencil. How do you say it? Mama Brata, Mama Brata Nasti. In fact, it is Mama Brata Nasti, not Mama Bratuhu. That has to be changed. Mama Brata Nasti, not Bratu. Okay, I will correct it. Mama Brata Nasti. Oh, sorry. Something else happened. Not Bratuhu. Bratu is my brothers. Mama Brata Nasti, it should be. Bratuhu, something has to be there. Mama Bratuhu, then Mama, suppose if you say Mama Bratuhu, Ankani Nasti. Mama Bratuhu, Ankani Nasti. Ankani, pencil not there. Pencil is not there for my brother. Okay. So here it should be Brata only, not Bratuhu. That's wrong thing. Similarly, Bhagini, if you take Bhagini, Ikaranta, Srilinga, Shashti Vibhakti is Bhaginyaha. This we will see later. Here Bhagini is there, so I can copy paste it. Bhagini. Bhagini is Ikaranta, Strilinga, Shabda. Now, Bhaginyaha Abhushanam. Abhushanam is ornament. Abhushanam asti. Whose ornament? Bhaginyaha. Similarly, Bhaginyaha Kavita. Mama Bhaginyaha Nama Meera. Putra, Putrasya. Putraha, Putrasya. Putrasya is Shashti Vibhakti of the Pratipadikam. Putra. Putrasya Natakam. Putrasya Grihapataha. Mama Putrasya Nama Ramaha Asti. Dugita. Dugita is Pratama Vibhakti Ekvachanam of Dugitru Shabda, and Dugitu is Shashti Vibhakti. Dugituhu Bharta means what? Bharta is Bhartru Shabda, husband. So Dugituhu Bharta is sister's husband. Dugituhu Gruham. Not sister, sorry. Daughter's husband. Not sister, huh? If it is sister, you have to say Bhaginyaha Bharta. Dugituhu Griham, daughter's house. Mama Dugituhu Nama Lata. Iti. I think with this exercise is over. So we are going to see in the next class introduction to dhatu, the verbs, the verbal forms, kriya padam. So if you have doubt in this, please ask. This material already with you. You would have gone through this, I think. Any doubt in this?
Yes, Guruji, we have this.
Yeah, any doubt in this?
No.
Anybody, please ask if you have doubt.
No doubt, Guruji.
So please, you have to practice. You have to go through this. You need to practice again and again, and develop the usage of the practice and the usage of sentences with the appropriate kriya padam in proper connection with the subject, in terms of vachanam, in terms of not only kriya padam, the purusha also, not only in terms of vibhakti, in terms of purusha, that you need to practice. It comes only by practice. This is the right time. In the beginning only you can do practice. Later we will never practice. We'll take for granted and move forward. Okay,
Yes, Guruji.
Okay, Guruji.
fine. Now
Dhanyawada, Guruji. Dhanyawada.
we will continue this another 5 minutes. After that we will stop. Umaji, you can read this. This is called Shashti Bhakti usage. Okay. The other vibhaktis will be there. Don't worry about that. Only the example part you focus. Because all these things is only for reading. You don't have to do separate homework. The class reading only. This is, please read.
Okay. Samanya.
No, Dasharathasya putraha. Read only in Sanskritam.
Okay. Dasharatha putraha Ramaha. Sitayaha patihi namaha. Ramaha.
Understand the sentence, right?
Okay, yes.
Dasharathasya is what vibhakti? Shashti vibhakti ekavachanam. Of the pratipadikam, Dasharatha.
Yes, okay.
Sitayaha pratipadikam is Sita.
Sita. Okay.
And the Shashti Bhakti is Sitaya. Next person, Subhalakshmi ji.
Nadyaha nama Ganga.
Hmm.
Palasya nama Amram.
Yes. Next, Anupama ji.
Mama Matulaha Chennai Nagare Vasati.
It means what?
Ramasya, my uncle
Uncle.
stays in Chennai.
Yes. Vasati, the Kriya Padam. Who stays? Kaha Vasati?
Mama Matulaha Vasati.
Matulaha Vasati. Kasya Matulaha?
Mama Matulaha.
Kutra Vasati?
Chennai Nagare.
Nagarasya. Nama Kim? Chennai.
Chennai.
That is how you have to ask question, get answer. Mama Matulaha Chennai Nagare Vasati. Vasati Kriya Padam denotes what is the subject in the sentence? What is the subject? Matulaha.
Matulaha.
Matulaha Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana.
Yes.
Suppose if I say Vasataha, then what would be?
Matulau.
Matulau. Vasanti.
Matulaha.
That is the first thing you have to do. You have to see the Kriya Padam and find out the subject in the sentence. Yes. Okay. I think we will stop here. I have to go out. We'll see.
Dhanyawadaha Guruji.
Dhanyawad. Om
Dhanyawad.
Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyawadaha.
Dhanyawada.
Dhanyawadaha.
Dhanyawada Guruji.
This text we don't have, sir.
Not required. This is only for reading the class. We don't have to do. I have already sent enough material for you to practice.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Yes.